1. Greetings. Hi, how are you? Hello, nice to meet you. Good morning, afternoon, evening. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? It's nice to see you again. Goodbye. Have a great day. 2. Introducing yourself. My name is Name. What's yours? I'm from Country City. I live in City Town. I'm age years old. I work as a job. I am a student at university. 3. Asking and answering questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? How old are you? Do you like movies, music, traveling? What's your favorite food? 4. Daily activities. I wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower and eat breakfast. I go to work school at 8 a.m. I have lunch at 12 p.m. In the evening, I watch TV or read a book. I go to bed at 10 p.m. 5. Common polite expressions. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm sorry. Excuse me. No problem. 6. Talking about weather. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. It's raining. Don't forget your umbrella. It's cold. You should wear a jacket. It looks like it's gonna snow. The weather is perfect for a walk. 7. Shopping. Can I help you? I'm looking for item. How much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size color? I'll take this. Can I pay by card? Do you have a receipt? 8. At a restaurant. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like food, drink. What do you recommend? Can I have some water, please? The food is delicious. Can I have the bill, please? 9. Directions. Excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop? Go straight, then turn left. It's next to the supermarket. How far is it from here? It's about a 10-minute walk. Thank you for your help. 10. Making plans. What are you doing this weekend? Let's meet at place at time. I'm free on Saturday. Would you like to go to the park? Sounds great. See you then. 11. Expressing opinions. I think this is a great idea. I like this movie. It's very interesting. I don't agree with you. This is my favorite restaurant. I enjoy reading books in my free time. 12. Compliments. You look great today. I love your outfit. This food is amazing. You did a good job. Your presentation was excellent. 13. Expressing emotions. I am very happy today. I'm feeling tired. I was surprised by the news. I feel excited about the trip. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. 14. Basic grammar for conversations. 1. Use present tense for daily activities. I eat breakfast every morning. She goes to school at 8 a.m. 2. Use past tense for completed actions. I visited my friend yesterday. We went to the park last weekend. 3. Use future tense for plans. I will go to the market tomorrow. She is going to study tonight. 4. Use can for ability or permission. Can you help me, please? I can speak a little English. 5. Use want to for desires. I want to learn English. He wants to travel to Japan. 15. Talking about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy playing sports. I like watching movies and listening to music. My favorite hobby is reading books. Do you like outdoor activities? 16. Traveling. Where is the nearest airport? How do I get to destination? I'd like to book a ticket to place. What time does the train bus leave? Is this seat available? 17. Practice conversations. Example 1. At the grocery store. Shopkeeper. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for apples. They are over there. Thank you. How much are they? $2 per kilogram. I'll take 2 kilograms, please. Example 2. Meeting a friend. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. What about you? I'm doing well. What are you up to? Not much. Do you want to grab a coffee? Sure, let's go. 18. Practice tips. 1. Speak daily. Practice speaking English with a friend or to yourself. 2. Listen actively. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts or songs. 3. Read aloud. Practice reading simple texts or dialogues aloud. 4. Learn vocabulary. Focus on words and phrases you'll use often. 5. Stay consistent. Dedicate time each day to improve your skills. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with your friends.